What's up guys, welcome back to Code My Hobby. In today's video we are going to be adding a live chat app to our website, and we're also going to be deploying this website. So in this tutorial I'm going to be guiding you through the steps by which you can add a live chat application to your website, whereby you can communicate with anyone on your website via the live chat app. And we'll also be deploying this website live using a platform which I'll be showing you, so make sure you stick to the end of the video. And yeah, so basically that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be guiding you through the steps in which you can add this live chat application. I'm just going to click on this so you can see you can start a conversation with someone on your website. So whenever they send you a message, you get a pop-up notification on your phone. So as you can see, we are on the channel and we're very close to 2,000 subscribers. Currently we're at 1,850, so it remains 150 for us to get to 2,000 subscribers, and we currently have 41,000 views. And I believe with your help we can blow this video up to we can blow this channel up rather to 2,000 subscribers or even more. And I know we can get more views on this video, so I need you to do one single thing for me. Just smash the like button, and if you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and make sure you comment down below road to 2K subscribers. And if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section. If you also have any questions for me regarding this video, let me know in the comment section. Or if you have any special requests for a video, let me also know in the comment section. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the name of the website which we'll be using for this live chat app is elfsites.com. So just head over to your Google browser. Okay, while this loads up. Okay, so now this is a platform where you can add a live chat app to your website and make your website more interactive. You know, people like the touch and feeling of talking to someone live from a platform, so they get the user experience which they want. So now the first thing you actually need to do is to sign up for free by clicking this button. I'm just going to log in and I'll be right back. So now I've logged into my account and I've actually started using this just to prepare for this video. So when you sign up you're going to get a mail. So you have to check your Gmail, make sure your Gmail is active. So you have to check your Gmail and a link will be sent to you to confirm your verification, just like this. So it says confirm your email, we sent you blah blah blah, just for email verification. So now the live chat app, we're just going to type in Telegram and search for that. So we're going to add Telegram chat. So select this, create widget. Okay, so now you have different chat styles. There's the general chat style, there's the support. If you're like a customer support or something, this is a really good style that you might try to incorporate. If you're a hotel company, you might want to check out this booking style. Also have onboarding, feedback, sale. So there are different styles for the live chat application. So I'm just going to select general for this tutorial. So let's select the general template and click on apply, or let's continue with this template rather. Okay, so now it's going to lead you over to this place, and you can decide to change the chat bubble if you'd like something like this to be on your chat. So you can use this, you can use the Telegram logo right here, you can use this, you can also use this, So basically anyone that suits you. So I'm just going to select this, okay, and I think you should be able to change the color also. So let's say background color. If you'd like to use, let's say, purple, you can change it to purple for this icon right here, but I'm just going to leave it at blue. Okay, so that's okay. I think it had a lighter shade of blue, but I'm just going to leave it this way. Okay, so also if you'd like to change the bubble animation, if you'd like to close the bubble animation, you can close it. If you'd like to enable it, you can also enable the button animation, and you can customize your CSS if you'd like to. And lastly, the start. Okay, so you can also add the border radius to this. So I'm just going to leave it as it is right now. Okay. Also, you can customize your welcome message. Currently it says, "Hi there, how can I help you?" And I think this is a really good welcome message, so we're going to leave it as it is right now. And okay, so now you want to add your Telegram username or your Telegram link. So I'm just going to try to grab my own Telegram link and paste it right here. So I've gotten my Telegram link and I'm going to paste it right here, and I'm just going to click on save. So hopefully this should save what we've done. Okay. Okay, so now you can get the code. So I'm just going to click to copy the code, and I'm going to head over to VS Code and paste this in my project. So I'm in the project, and this website is actually the last website we worked on. That's the shoe website. So I'm just going to scroll right here and give this a comment and say live chat app, and I'm going to paste the code right here. I'm going to correct this, so correct this and save. And now I'm going to open with live server, and hopefully this should work perfectly fine. Okay, so it's loaded, and you can see it takes 10 seconds to load actually. So when you click on the live chat button right here, it says, "Hi there, how can I help you?" And when you click start chat, you can actually start chatting with the person by sending the person a message. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial, and if you waited to the end of this video, congratulations, and congratulations to you. So we're going to be hosting this website using netlify.com, which is a free platform for you to host your website or a project. So I'm just going to go over here and click netlify.com and click search. Okay, so it's going to search for netlify.com, and when you get here, the first thing you have to do is obviously create an account. I have a video on how to upload your code or your project or your website using netlify.com. I made a video on that some months back. I'm going to have it in the description for you to check out. So I'm just going to click login. Yeah, so it's logging into my own account. And the good thing about Netlify is that you can connect your GitHub repository to your Netlify account. So you can upload your code directly from, or upload your projects rather, directly from GitHub repository over to netlify.com. And it's really a good platform because you're hosting your project for free. So you always have a solid or solid evidence or backup whenever you're telling someone about some projects which you've worked on. So yeah, I'm just going to go over to sites, click sites, and I'm going to drag. So these are some projects which I've hosted, and I'm going to drag the folder over to this section right here. So now I'm in my folder, and this is the file right here. So I'm just going to drag this file. I'm going to drag this file over to this section right here, and it's going to upload it. Now the first thing you have to do is to make sure your home page is index.html. Never forget this. Always make sure your home page is index.html and the main style page is style.css. So your main CSS page should be style.css. Okay, so now the project has been hosted, and now you want to make sure you change the domain name, because we can't actually have this domain name. It's kind of ridiculous. So go over to domain settings and scroll down a bit and click edit site name. So now you can change this to something cool. Let's say shoe site and save. Says the name has already been taken. Shoe, let's say shoe ecom. Okay, so now the project has been hosted, and when you click the link right here, so finally the website has loaded, and you can see the chat app right here. And when you click start chat, you can actually start a conversation with the person in charge of the website, or the person supervising the website. So yeah, that's basically how to add a live chat app on your website. And we also hosted this website, so if you made it to the end, you can share the link of your project to your friends and add your live chat app there, and they can obviously chat with you through your website. So thank you for watching this video to the end, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, turn on your post notification bell. We're almost on our way to 2,000 subscribers, and I believe we can get there soon. So yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.